Hi guys.
This is gonna be pretty much where we do all of our.
I thought we were making a hot dog mech.
First, I'm making your face. Wait. Dude, you dick. Stop it. Actually,
Get
took
wrecked.
a long time.
Well, guys, today we're making a hot dog mech. So yeah, let's get into it.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop making this one.
So the first we should do the legs first. I want to make the legs.
I'll make the arms.
I'll make the legs.
Wait, look, I know what I'm gonna make the arm in.
Wait, can I use that for the legs?
Wait, but we could both use the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, guys. So
You have to build it first.
I don't really know what to say right now.
I can help you with this first leg.
What? Here, sorry. No, never. Sorry, that's my brother, guys. And yeah, so I don't know what to say, and here we go. And yeah, so first I'm making the legs. So I'm gonna make it 4 blocks.
Are your legs so
Actually-
thick, though?
No, I'm gonna make it. We should make like a human mech. So it's gonna be a human mech instead. We don't need this anymore. It's gonna be like half of
Wait,
it.
can we do me? Because I really like.
Half of it. One of the legs, it's gonna be
Wait,
this.
half of it could be me, half of it could be you.
No, half of it's gonna be an ice person, and half of it's gonna be you. Okay? Or actually, yeah, half of it's gonna be purple guy because Elijah's character is purple guy, and I think it's cool.
But I'm probably not gonna do the face. I'm gonna make the face just purple. Pretty much.
I know how to
The
make.
face look like poop too.
I know how to make the face really good, so
I know,
I'm gonna
but
make the face.
let's just not.
Here, so guys, the first thing we need, I'm gonna make like a shoe thing. So I need to make it one. Actually, no, I'm gonna here. So guys, I'm gonna use. Let's see,
Oh, let me get some.
black wool.
Wait, we can't use wool because we could actually. This could be set on fire.
We're not gonna set it on fire.
No,
So
but lightning.
that's for like a little shoe. That's for like a little shoe.
What about lightning?
It's probably not gonna happen.
What is this? It looks like a cow thing.
That looks
like a
really
house.
bad. No, we're just not gonna make the shoe part.
Okay, wait, this is.
I'll make that ice part so far. So, I think we need to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks high. What's that?
Purple guy.
No, they need to be split apart by. Actually, no, it's perfect.
That's not how it works, really.
Why are you using coal for it?
Because it's black. Duh.
Don't use coal. I have something else you can use here.
Nah,
I know exactly what you could use.
I already did.
It's better. No, it's better than this.
I'm still gonna use this.
Look. It's better. It's black concrete.
I'm still using this.
Look. Wait. Look. Looks better.
Nope, it doesn't.
Don't.
This looks like actual pins.
Kind of does, yeah.
Should we make this one thing like wider?
No.
So then we can actually live inside of the legs. You can actually go inside of the legs and do that.
We shouldn't.
Wait, I know what we should do.
What?
We could do a belt, a glowing belt, and I know exactly the thing to use.
Slime?
This thing. Sea lantern.
Oh, yes.
That will make it 10 times brighter.
Yeah, so we're using a sea lantern. The mic
For
is
the
closer
first
to
part
it.
of the leg.
Elijah, so you can hear it better.
Actually, could we please, look, could we make this part wider? Because look, how are we even going to live and go in here?
No, look, so we're going to make the body. Actually,
Yeah,
yeah, we need to make it bigger.
One time. Wait, should we make it 2 times bigger? Or one?
Here, let's. I have an idea.
One
So
time or 2 times bigger?
let's do the back like black concrete. Okay.
This looks bad.
Kind of looks cool though. Here, wait. Keep it there. I want to see it. That actually looks really cool from the side. Here, so I'll extend my stuff right here.
Let me see how. Look this way. It looks sort of bad. Oh, I might know why.
No, that looks pretty good.
I'm gonna do like 1 block wider.
Yeah, me too. You made me a seat. Imagine that you
Wait,
just.
this could be the flooring. This sea lantern could be flooring.
No, I think we should use black concrete for the flooring. Wait, how about we use the color of the different ones for the flooring? Like the my ice one, it should be a light blue, and then my
Yeah, but I have one complaint about this.
what?
It looks like a little kid feet. It looks really small. It looks.
I have an idea though.
It looks stubby.
We should make it higher. Actually, no. Wait here.
Wait,
Look.
look, we can make these the shoulders. I meant like, what is it called? I forgot it. And if we're ever bored, you know what we could do? We can make another version of this, but broken.
I'm so mad right now.
Why?
I'll show you. Okay, look my screen. So
What are you doing?
I'll show you.
You're acting like a Diglett.
Look, I'm hollowing out the inside for us. I don't know how. Elijah, I'm gonna hollow out the inside, okay?
I already did that.
No, I'm talking about on my side.
Alright, excuse me.
Ah. Yes. And I know what we should do. Wait.
Wait, look.
Cover it back. Watch this. Watch this. Wait.
Why?
I'm gonna get something that might help.
Wait, look. Why? Look, this is what I'm trying to do. Put ladders right here.
I think we could use a warped door. Yes, look. You can't see it that well, the door. Look. That's kind of nice, though. That kind of looks cool.
I don't like it that much.
But it could work. It will work for now.
But I already
We
did
should
ladders,
make a water elevator for up here, and then it's just now we can walk around, okay? With a water
Okay.
elevator. I'll make the water elevator.
Okay.
I hate you.
Oh, you get it. I don't want.
Here, I'm just gonna use it for now. Use it for now.
Okay. Okay, fine. You can use it for now. I'm gonna make mine water slide too.
It's called a water elevator.
Wait, I know what I could do.
What?
Just wait and see. Just wait and see. Follow, 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 follow. What the truth will follow.
We should make a lava elevator.
I was thinking of doing that, but I
It
don't
would, I think if you use lava on mine, it's gonna break it.
Cool. Oh. You know what I'm doing?
What?
I'm making a water one too. Look how this is gonna look. This is my window. Into the window.
Into the unknown.
Into the unknown.
Elijah?
Oh, what?
I have to fill some things in down here.
Into the unknown.
Into the unknown.
I know what the eyeballs could be.
What?
These. Because they look like cool. They look
Wait,
like robot
oh,
eyeballs.
I have a way to make the eyeballs. So we're going to use banners because I think we're going to use purple guy eyeballs. Wait, actually, we could do your eyes and then also the beacons.
Elijah, are you ready to go when your mom gets here?
I'll get ready.
It's like 10 minutes till she comes. So.
Okay,
Not
guys.
leaving yet.
He's not leaving yet, but he's gotta go at some point. His
There's
mom's
a
gonna
glass
miss
right
it.
there. Elijah, what's that glass thing?
If y'all want to clean anything up, now's the time.
Clean that glass.
Ready.
You guys, we'll be right back.
We're
back. We're back, guys. And Elijah, what's that? What's the glass thing in your leg?
You mean this is my leg? That's my hand.
Wait, that's your hand?
See, look, that's my hand.
No, I'm talking about that.
Oh, that's a window, so you can see through. I'm gonna put fish in mine.
I don't really like it.
I like it.
I don't. Wait, maybe yours could be like that's you almost got bit
Wait, you
by.
know what I could have done? I could have made the glass grayish.
And then it would be like
It'd be like a broken part.
No, it could be like you almost turned into a.
You shouldn't be standing while on the video. Now they'll just see you standing up.
Now they will just see me standing up, losers.
Wait, I found an idea.
What?
A great idea. Okay. Let me build it.
There's a slime, and the slimes are so annoying in this map. They're so annoying. I just want them to die. Okay, so this is just more annoying now. Yay, Denver, you don't get another one. What does it look like you did to my door?
You're not supposed to have one anyways.
How are we gonna get in then? What do we get? Oh, are we gonna make we can make a sitting on a toilet.
No.
Then how are we gonna get in? A ladder going into the butt?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go start building that.
You make the butt.
Okay, yeah?
Outside, your mom's here.
Oh, she is? Well, bye, guys.
Bye.
I gotta go.
Bye, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.